Hey everybody, NASA Mr. Gorski here with his wonderful headphones. Oh God, I just saw the Cowboys logo. They've been socially distancing from the Super Bowl trophy for a while. Okay, as an Eagles fan, that makes me happy. As a Chiefs fan, who they just won the Super Bowl, that makes me really happy. Okay, April 30th was today, Thursday, and then Friday, May 1st. Thursday is National Adopt a Shelter Pet Day. Hey, I have a shelter pet. My other pet wouldn't come from the shelter. He was not shelter worthy, to be honest. National Bubble Tea Day. I think Mr. Harvey likes those. Yeah, what's up, Doc? Because it's National Bugs Bunny Day. National Honesty Day. National Oatmeal Cookie Day. As long as they don't have raisins in it. I'll take oatmeal, as long as there's no raisins. They look like chocolate chips, and then it's like a... National Preparathon Day. National Raisin Day. Oh, gosh. I think they are adding them to the oatmeal cookies, because it's both. National Sarcoidosis Day. I'm going to have to look that one up. National Military Brats Day. National Hairstylist Appreciation Day. National Poem in Your Pocket Day. And then May 1st, which is Friday, National Loyalty Day. May Day. It's May Day. May 1st, May Day. National Mother Goose Day. National Chocolate Parfait Day. It's Law Day. It's School Principals Day. What do you know? Email Dr. Early or Dr. Smith or Mrs. Ms. McSparron. It's also Silver Star Service Banner Day, National Space Day, and School Lunch Hero Day. Okay, let's get into the the puzzle. It was so puzzling. All of you were puzzled by it. There's a reason why little kids get this. Because they don't really know what the numbers are. The numbers don't mean anything. All they were counting is how many little sections are enclosed. So look at this number, 8809. There's two enclosed sections in each of the 8s, one in the O and one in the 9. In the 71111, there's none, right? There's no enclosure. So it's all about how many enclosures. In 66666, there's the 4 in each of those 6s. So that was the clue. Today's puzzle is a little bit easier for you. How many squares are there? How many squares do you see? Count up all the squares. Make sure you get them all. Always, I'm available on conferences, and I've been talking with Mackay. He's on the woohoo list. Science, here we go. So for today, we're watching the video that you're watching right now. Then review your test and see your score if you already haven't. I'm going to be putting the scores in on Thursday morning, as some people are finishing up. And then work on lesson 1 of our new topic about photosynthesis. This is actually our last topic of the year. If you would like to retake your test, I'm going to handle this a lot like our quizzes that we've been retaking. You're going to have to do a quizzes and earn a 70% or higher before you can earn the password to take the Test 7 retake. So if you want to retake your test, that's how you go. Getting into our Engage lesson for today, again, we're talking about photosynthesis. There's something to answer there. Just tell me everything that you know about photosynthesis. That involves the questions that I have listed there. Let's see, some prior knowledge stuff, watch the video, answer the question, and then something that you can do on your own and send me a pic if you do it. They're definitely cool. I did them. I did not know about this, and I made one with my son, and he really liked it. You just need things from nature. You'll read that if you want to. And then tell me how long it took. This should be a pretty short one. And yeah, tell me if you need anything. Email me. Come check me out on Schoology conferences. And you guys have a great Thursday and Friday and weekend. Woohoo! Weekend. Yay. I remember what weekends are like. Feels like every day's a weekend right now, but that's just me. Anyway, see you guys later. Have fun.